baggie of silver star confetti. I was sent a review from TecUnite, so let's take a closer look. It's a bag within a bag. This is 2.1 ounces, so it is a lot of confetti. You've got two sizes in here. The small ones are 6 millimeters and the big ones are 10 millimeters. This is really cool. I even found one set that didn't get broken apart. That is really neat. Here's one of the 10 millimeters. A really nice reflective silver on both sides. Nice thickness, not something that's gonna crumple in your hand. Those points are quite sharp actually. Some of the smaller ones have a really cool sequins effect on one side. It's very hard to capture that on camera. I think you can see the reflection kind of gives rainbow colors and stuff in a sequence kind of dot effect. Really neat. And then the rest of them are just that super shiny silver on both sides. You can get really creative with how you use them. You can spread them across a tabletop or a dessert bar. You can use them to decorate cards and arts and crafts projects, or even fill a cup or a shot glass or something like that. They're just really pretty. I love the reflectiveness and the glitter and just really nice. I love these and I know you will too.